Welcome to the World Education Summit 2023. World headliners like Professor John Hattie, 8 stages including one from Wales, with discussion groups, brave leaders, cool schools, passionate practitioners and research bites, all from the best in their field from across the world. Welsh Government is funding 10,000 free places. Whether you're a teaching assistant, teacher, teaching student, head teacher, or a system leader, this is for you. To be part of WES 2023 is to look to the future, new insights, new speakers. Choose as much or as little as you want, and keep coming back for more all year long. Use it as your very own research library. To register for free, please visit the WES 2023 Hub page. So that's headliners, discussion groups, resources, showcases, on-demand access, even training sessions from the best in the field, with access to it all for 12 months. Check out the Summit Guide for more information on www.worldedsummit.com.